Hey, it's me, Quinn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to make a video dedicated to all the new grads that just graduated from college, including my sister, cousins, and some family friends. So congrats to you for graduating and everyone else. I thought it would be a good idea for me to make a video sharing 5 tips on what to do after you graduate from college, and these 5 tips may be more relatable to like job hunting and stuff, because I know that it was really hard for me to apply for jobs and go to interviews, and it can be very scary. So I thought I'd share for anyone that just graduated, so then you don't feel super lost. A few of these tips I've learned through my really good professor and friends. Okay, so number 1 is apply to every freaking job and position. Do on LinkedIn, there's an option to apply. You click on the button and it says quick apply or something, and literally drop in your resume in a PDF file and send it out. Oh, by the way, some of you might not know this, but you should make your resume and edit it in Word, but then when you save it, save another version in PDF file, so then you can send those resume to recruiters or companies. It's just better to send it in a PDF file. I didn't know that. It's much cleaner when you send it in a PDF file, you know what I mean? Because once you open it, it's just one format instead of being kind of messy in like Word. Yeah, anyways, back to that's like double the tip. So back to tip number 1, apply to freaking everything. You think that applying to like 30 position is a lot, but it's not. I remember when I first graduated from college, I applied to like 30 places and was really sad when I get rejection emails back, or like not hear from the companies I wanted to work for. Then I started doubting myself and feeling like I'm stupid, or yeah, just basically stupid, and no one has the time to give a shit about me because some people don't even email back. But that's just normal, because if you think about it, there's like hundreds and thousands of people applying to the position. You know, there's so many people, so many grads. Like, look around your class, just graduated so many, and that's just one school. So don't even feel bad about it. But what you need to do is apply to more than 200 positions. The line here that you should be at is like at least 200 if you're not hearing any callbacks or interview opportunities. So yeah, apply. Seriously. So number 2 is, this has to do with your resume. When you edit your resume, make sure to put actionable words in the front. So for example, and put them in past tense. So for example, prepared 300 opening closing paperwork with store manager. So the word prepared is past tense. Even if you're working at a job right now, don't say preparing or prepare. Make it past tense, so then the recruiter knows that you have already done this and you have experience in it. It's something in the past. It's something you have done. Even if you did it today, it's still in the past. It's better than saying doing, or you know what I mean. Okay, this is gonna be super casual, so don't judge me on rambling on and saying weird shit, okay? So yeah, you should make all the bullet points action words. Verb, past tense. I'll give you some more example. Collaborated cross-functionally with internal teams to blah 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 blah, to do something. So it's like action word, prepared, and then say what you do and what was the result. Like, you prepared so and so paperwork and you guys made $2 sales, whatever, you know. Number 3, once you get an offer, negotiate the shit out of them. I know you're probably like, what the hell, I just got an offer, I'm happy as shit, I'll take any salary possible, because that was me. I was literally thinking, dang, if they give me an offer for like 40K, I'll be the happiest girl in the world. But I mean, maybe you are happy, but the thing is, it doesn't hurt to get more money, okay? Once they give you an offer, thank them and negotiate. A lot of people think that negotiating is not an option. And I'm here to tell you that it is, what's the worst thing that can happen? No, or they revoke your offer letter. It makes no sense. It just shows that you know your value and you should deserve a little bit more. And it could be a fair thing. Like, don't be super freaking ridiculous, like negotiating for like 20 more K or something. Just be reasonable. Number 4, don't feel like you can apply to a job because you don't have the qualification that's listed on the job posting, because this is a good common rule. Make sure that you qualify for about 70% of what's posted on the job, and the 30%, that's what you're supposed to learn on the job. Something that you should know is that, I don't know if this applies to medical students, engineers, but for business, you will learn a lot of the skills on your first job. So when it's an entry-level position, apply to it even if you don't have all of the qualification, because you might land it. If you are someone that's willing to learn and you come across that you're willing to learn and you have the capability to learn, I mean, you freaking just graduated from school and you learned all that shit in college, you can do it. Just have that point across, and most of the time they're willing to hire you and teach you on the job. I mean, they will teach you on the job, so don't worry about it and apply. So number 5, so the last tip I want to give you is enjoy your time right now while you're unemployed or whatever it is. I know a lot of you might be really stressed because you don't have a job right out of college, or you're trying to get a job and all your friends have a job already. You just feel the pressure, but I mean, what can you do? You know, there's a lot of people looking for jobs, and just hustle, apply like I said, and you will freaking get a job. I guess this tip is to enjoy your time off. You have summer outside. Once you start working, you will never get 3 months of vacation ever again. Like, just think about that. You'll get top like 5 months top-ish. Mostly it's like 2 or 3 weeks. Just enjoy it and have fun while you're applying for your job. I just want to end this video by saying congratulations, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.